Hello and welcome. I'm so excited because I have a mystery box. Now, there's a story behind this mystery box. So, my name is Robin and this is my channel. And if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like this video enough to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button for all my future video, and a thumbs up. And if you're returning, I love you guys. I appreciate you. And I did miss you while I was off. The story behind this mystery box is I am so embarrassed. I've had boxes for a while now because of everything that was going on with me. And so I'm opening this box. I don't know if it was a giveaway. I don't know if I paid for it. So how mystery is that? The return address, I'm not going to say the person's name. But I don't recognize it. So I tried to look up to see if I had won something or I just purchased it and this person ships from home. So if you sent me this mystery box, please let me know because I just don't know. That's what happens when you start to age. You forget certain things. And I'm opening it up and it doesn't have the date. So I know I've had it for a while. And it's got this beautiful pink paper in it. And I was ordering so many boxes and it's hard to keep up. I don't know the YouTubers that get boxes like all the time, how they keep up with the filming, the editing, remembering everything that's inside. So kudos to you guys. So let's get into this box. Now the reason I don't think I purchased it and that it might be a giveaway is the different types of items in this box. Let's get into it. So again, if I want to give away, please forgive me. Or maybe this box will just come to mind, but I don't think so. The first thing we have is a Lotus Bar Winter Frost, and it's a candle. And opening it up. Oh my God, the smell is like amazing. And it's got a little bee on there. These are great to travel with because I can put them in my luggage and then when I get to the hotel, I can light them up and they'll be fine. The next thing I received is all these Jeffree Star, and these are for your Crocs. I don't own a pair, but the little holes on the top of those Crocs shoes, you put them in there. I mean, what a cute little idea, but again, I don't even think I own a pair. The next item is by Color Street. And this is just upsetting me so much that I don't know where I got this box and if somebody sent it to me. Are the Color Street. I've worn them. I'm not very good at putting them on. I try to do my own nails, buy all this stuff, and I get one hand good, the other hand is not good, so I go back to the salon. And there is a ton of chocolate in here. So again, giving me kind of giveaway vibes. And then we have a single eyeshadow. It's the Black Card Limit. Assuming it's a black color, great for eyeliners. And then we have this cute little tube. And it's Honey Almond. Opened it upside down. Forgive me. So it's a gloss or a chapstick. It doesn't really smell, so that's good. I'm dropping my chocolate. Thank God I don't have a pet. And then we have some coffee. The Donut Shop Original. and then a bath bomb. Again, I use these for traveling because some of these hotels have the nicest tubs. You walk in there and you're like, I want that tub, I want to take it home. And so I can actually take a nice bath. And the best thing is I don't have to clean the bathtub. And then we have the Supreme Gloss by Jeffree Star. So whoever sent me this box or how I ordered it, they had to know I love Jeffree Star. And it's Gemini. And I'm going to be box challenged and I won't be able to open it. But those are great. And then we have a palette. Oh, it's a heartbreaker. I think it's a mirror. I think you put it in your purse and it's just a little mirror. And how adorable is that? Okay. And more candy. Oh, there's a sucker. And then we have, it looks like a palette. So, I don't know what palette. Probably thinking it's a Jeffree Star palette. And of course, I'm challenged. And it looks, the wrapping paper is pink. I don't think the palette's pink. So give me a second because I'm going to have to cut into this baby. Okay, I'm back. I cut into it. If this was a giveaway, it is amazing. So I don't think I ordered this box. So I so apologize to anybody who might have sent it to me and it's been a while and I haven't unboxed it, but I am just like in awe. It's the Blood Sugar palette. It's got the little locks on there. And of course I can't get this out, but this box is just amazing. And it's got the real soft case and it says Blood Sugar on it. And then of course there's the little box. And it has a mirror. And these are the colors. So if you watched my previous video, I got the gold palette, and it does have some of the same type of colors in it, but look at that. Oh, there goes the thing. That is absolutely gorgeous. I would definitely use the top row. The purple, I have to practice with. But let me know what your favorite item is. And if you thought this was like an outstanding box. Again, I don't think I ordered it, so I'm just feeling awful if it was a giveaway. And again, thank you so much for watching. Please leave comments. I love to get comments. Hit that like button. And again, you guys have an awesome day.